losing. Connect everybody around me, I'm a catalyst passing the energy. I just wanna see everybody have a good time. The weekend's here, trust me, it's time for you to rewind. It's the weekend,
Life will throw you a ton of curveballs. It's scary. But like, if you believe, man, you know, if you believe, and if you want it, and if you want to work hard enough for it, it can be so. Because there's no difference from me and you. I just really wanted this shit. I wanted it bad.
Yo, what up, YouTube? Welcome to Sin Tech, man. My name is Jay Sin, coming back with another one, man. And I just want to pass a quick message to y'all, man. Listen, everything that we want in life, right, is ours for the taking. It's ours for the taking. But like Kid Cudi say, man, you just got to want that shit really bad. You just got to want it really bad and go put in that work. When you want something really bad, man, listen, that feeling never leaves you alone. It irks you. It messes with you every second, minute, hour of the day because it's something that you want bad, right? So with that even being said, I want y'all to think about something that you obsessed about. You know what I mean? Something that you obsess about. Like you just can't stop thinking about it. You know, you can't stop working on it. You thinking of ways to accomplish this and all of that. Man, listen, that is something that's on your mind daily. That means you really want it bad. You really want this bad. Whatever it is that you want, you cannot stop thinking about it. You know, you thinking of ways to get better. You thinking about you know what I mean? You try to focus on other things that you got going, but this just won't seem to leave you alone. It's irking you, like I said, and it just, listen, that is where you need to go. That is how you need to be. That's how you need to feel. You are supposed to feel like that because you want it. You want it. Don't feel bad about it either, man, because some people will try to make it seem as if you crazy. You know, some people are going to try to make it seem as if, you know what I mean? You're not doing the right thing. Like, that's not the way to go. But man, that is exactly the way that it should be going right now. That's how you should be feeling, because that is a goal of yours. And that's something that you have passion about. You know, when you passionate about things, listen, you're going to have people in your ear that's trying to talk you out of it. You're going to have people that just don't understand how bad you want it, because unfortunately, you got some people around you that never, you know, really strive for anything. They never really want it. They don't know how it feels to want something so bad. So with you wanting what you want in life, you know, you trying to do all of these big things and you obsessed about getting there and achieving these goals. Listen, man, that is something that can't be taken away from you. That is something that you need to gravitate towards. That is something that you need to put your energy into, because the Most High trying to tell you something. The Most High is on your heels about this. You know what I mean? This ain't just something to where, oh, you know what I mean? Because people like to try to view things, everything as problematic. They're going to look at it as if you got a problem. Yeah, I do got a problem. I want to be successful and I want to accomplish my goals. That's my problem. So that's why I'm thinking about it all the time. That's why I'm putting in all this work. So when you got people that ain't used to that, they don't know that feeling. They don't know that feeling. So you kind of like an alien to them. You different. They don't even know you like that no more. They don't even know you, man. I ain't even trying to exaggerate it, but how obsessed you is about this. A lot of people never seen you like this. They never seen you so focused. They never seen you so driven. So that's just a new look for them. And they never felt like that either. They never felt like that about anything. They never took anything serious like that. Listen, they don't know you. They don't know this. They don't know this thing. They don't know whatever it is that's going on with you. They're like, bro, you tripping. They gonna tell you tripping. They gonna tell you slipping. They gonna tell you all of that shit. They gonna say, man, they gonna say all of that, man, you tweaking. You know what I mean? They gonna go with that. They gonna be like, man, bro, tweaking. I don't know what he be on lately, man, this mug. But listen, man, that's something, right? That's something that's happening to you. supposed to be happening to you. That's something that is happening to you is supposed to be happening to you. That obsessive behavior that you have towards these goals and dreams and things. Listen, that is where you're supposed to be going. So you have to go there. You have to kind of block out all of that nonsense that you hearing that people saying about you, man. Because listen, half of the successful people, I'm pretty sure, had the same people in their ear as well, telling them like, man, dude, you tweaking right now. You really tripping if you think you gonna be able to do that. You really tripping over how obsessed you is over this. You really tripping how much work you putting in towards this shit that ain't gonna get you nowhere. They say things like that. You know what I mean? They say things like that. They gonna make it seem like you insane, but you ain't insane. You ain't insane. The Most High talking to you and telling you that you need to keep putting in that work and you need to keep going in that direction where you going. You know when the Most High, listen, you know when God don't want you going in a direction because he gon' close certain things off. Like, yeah, it's gonna be roadblocks like Kid Cudi say, but nah, like when he really don't want you going in a direction, he'll close things off. A lot of the times, God put these little roadblocks in front of you on purpose to see how bad you want it, to see if you're gonna be able to overcome things. You will be tested. The Most High will test you, but you got to go through those tests and those obstacles and those roadblocks to get to where you're trying to go. And guess what? God gonna keep opening up those doors like, okay, yeah, he's serious. All right, okay, he went through that. Boom. He putting you through that obstacle course on purpose. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't go train and you don't know what training you need, the Most High gonna line you up to get trained. You gonna get this work no matter what. That's how the Most High see it. You gonna get this work. You gonna get this work. You want it this bad. You gonna put it in. You gonna put in this work. So the Most High will test you. You know what I mean? But when he don't see something fit, man, listen, he'll close that door completely. Be like, nah, bro, that ain't for you. Nah, bro, that ain't for you. The Most High will tell you, the Most High is one of the realest dudes you'd ever know. I would say the N-word, but I ain't gonna go there. But y'all know what I'm saying. The Most High is one of the realest beings, the number one, listen, the realest. All y'all talk about real niggas, the Most High is the realest nigga you will ever know in your life. Fuck it, I'ma just say it. The Most High is the realest nigga you will ever know in your lifetime. So guess what? When he don't want something to happen, he'll close that shit off. But guess what? If you really want it as bad, right? And the Most High is pointing you in that direction and he giving you these obstacle courses, these tests, you got to keep going. You know why? Because he's still in your head. He in your ear telling you that you need to keep going and do what you need to do. He the one that got you obsessing over the things that you want in this life. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, even though he throwing those little tests and roadblocks in there, he continuing to tell you to keep going. So you got to follow that. You can't listen to the other people around you that's telling you that you crazy, you insane. That's another one of his tests. He want to see if you going to listen to them and really, you know what I mean, go by what they saying. He want to see that. You know what I'm saying? Because he know when you get successful, right, that it's going to be a lot of people talking. You're going to have a lot of spectators around that's going to be telling you that you can't. But guess what? All his work gonna be in vain if you listen to one of them. Even if you just listen to one of them, it's gonna be like, yo. So he gonna make sure that ain't gonna be the case for you. You know what I mean? So he gonna have the people around you, the closest ones that's going to tell you that you ain't supposed to be doing this. He going to have the closest ones putting you down. He going to have the closest ones around you telling you that you can't. You know what I mean? Because those is tests too. Because there's going to be tons of people out there in the world that don't even know you that's going to be down on you. They going to be downing you, clowning you, all of that shit, misunderstanding you. They don't want to understand you. You know what I'm saying? They want to crush you. And that's just the world that we live in. You know, they gonna try to discredit you. They gonna do everything. They gonna try, listen, listen, this is a dirty world. They gonna be doing all types of shit, especially when you in a position of power. So the Most High will get you ready for that. But do not feel bad about obsessing over these goals and dreams that you have. You have to keep going. You have to keep going, and you gotta want that shit just as bad as Kid Cudi. When you really want something, you gonna go get it no matter what. All right, so keep doing what you're doing, and I guarantee you're gonna end up where you trying to go. All right, and that's my word, man. My name Jay Sin, it's Sin Take. I'll holler at y'all later, man. Peace. First I'ma get on my grind, then second stop wasting my time on shit less important. If ain't about money, I'm going the other direction. And third, I'ma do what I gotta to eat. Fourth, I'ma sew up the streets. Fifth, I'ma never quit dropping this heat. So as long as I'm breathing, you better get used to me. Sixth, I'ma get